Okay guys, I'm just going to show you how I want you to export your images. You'll bring them over to Photoshop and I'll show you how to put them back. I'm going to skip the Photoshop part for now, but you'll get an idea of what we're after here. So I have a folder set up, I'm calling it export. I also have a project called export. That's what you see here. And from there I'm going to click on this little gearbox and make a new folder and call this export temps. You can also hit control click and get a new folder that way. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to throw this one out. And over here we have our project. And I'm just going to record some frames to use as an example. Good enough. So these are the ones that I'm going to send out. To select all of these, you can do one of two things. You can go to Edit, select all. Hotkey for that is Control A. And all of mine are highlighted. And now I'm going to go to File, Export Selection as Images. Here, this is the Mac dialog window, and if you guys are hunting around, you're going to use user, which will be the little house here, and then you guys are going to go to documents and then look through here. Mine, I have it on the desktop, so I'm just going to find the export folder, and there is my export temps that I made. Choose that. So now you see when I go over here, I have all of those PNG files. These are the files that we're going to alter on Friday. So once you're done altering them, and let's say it's after Friday, it's the weekend, and you're done altering or color correcting or cropping or whatever you're doing in Photoshop, and you're ready to put these images back into your project, you can do two things. You can either erase what's in here and then replace them, or if you're a little bit nervous about that, which is understandable, you can just go to File, New, and this is within iStop-Motion. Create a new file. Call this one, Export Finished. And once again, I'm going to put that in my export folder. Make sure it's 15 frames per second. Hit Create. There we are. Now I can just go over here, and once again, I can edit, select all, or Command A, and you can just simply take these and drag them into iStop-Motion. And you can see it's importing all of the images, and all of your corrected images will be in this export finished. Once you're done with that, this is pretty distracting. Once you're done with that and you have everything the way you like it, maybe you wanted to, copy and paste. Maybe you wanted to make some pauses in here. So say, for instance, I wanted this picture right here to last a little bit longer. I might copy and paste it 3 or 4 times so that when I play through it, it creates a pause. Something like that. Once you like it, go to File. Go to Edit, select all, and then File. You're going to export your selection as a movie this time. And this is what you're going to hand in on Monday. Will be this movie. I call it Export Finished, sure. Down here is where you want to select the movie file type. So you're going to click on this little dialog window and then QuickTime Movie. Go over to Customize and just be certain that the size is roughly in this range. If you're small, if your image is, say it's down around 300 or something like that, you can just select on the little window here. I'll show you what that was next to this. This is size, and select, NTSC 720 by 480, and then hit OK, and then hit OK there. So once again, the export for that is you select all of them, select all, file, export selection as a movie, down here, QuickTime, customize, make sure it's 720 by 480 roughly, and OK. Choose where you want it to go. It's already defaulting to that export folder, and now it's making a QuickTime movie. And there's my QuickTime movie. If I double click it, it opens QuickTime Player, and there's my movie. That's what you're going to hand in for Monday.